Here I have INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap next. Then you should select country and region. Could be Croatia, Czech, maybe United Kingdom is okay. Tap next. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if there's no open network around, you can just skip this step for now. Then you should disable all switchers here. Tap one tick here, tap next. Then I suggest you to disable these switchers too. Tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later, or just don't do this at all. Then you can transfer data from your old device, or you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can select system navigation method. You can select buttons or gestures. I suggest to use gestures. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.